last elections, last two cycles of elections, 2022 and 2025, kayo po ba ay nagbigay ng donasyon sa sino man na kumandidato, whether local or national, sa huli mga eleksyon?
2022, Your Honor?
Yes.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Kanino po yun?
Kay Senator Cheese po.
Senator Cheese Escudero.
Yes po.
Aside from Senator Escudero, may I know if there have been other candidates for either national or local positions that you gave donations to?
Wala na po, Your Honor.
And more or less, magkano po daw ang inyong na-donate sa kampanya ni Senator Cheese?
30 million po, Your Honor.
30 million pesos. Yes, this was during the time that you already had government projects. Is that right?
Ano po? Sorry, Your Honor.
Noong panahon na yun, ay kayo ay meron ng mga proyekto o kontrata sa gobyerno.
Yes po, since 2009 po.
Thank you. No more questions, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Your Honor, personally ko po donation or nag-donate po ako kay Senator Cheese yung 30 million. Hindi po galing sa company yun, galing po yun sa akin as a personal individual. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Congressman